From a jailed defendant's fight over food to credit card fraud and a plea deal that could change his life, this courtroom has it all. Judge, lawyers, and a man with no home all face off today. Stay tuned, because nothing here goes exactly as you'd expect.
He could have said, I just need some me time, so I'm just taking a sabbatical. But no, I'm going to be in Europe for 2 months.
Cool.
A la Richard Garcia.
Yes. That's what we all learn from.
Yeah. All right. So this is your new attorney, Mr. Rodriguez.
Oh, manual. Hey.
So what I'm going to do is I am going to reset the cases so he'll have a chance to look over them and speak with you, and also for the state to have a chance to get the information that they want to get.
Do you know about the time period?
Well, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to reset it for 30 days, but if the state has that information beforehand and your attorney wants it brought back beforehand, we'll be here.
Okay.
All right. Do you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
And your client told me that someone tried to take his food at the jail, so that's why he's in red, because there was a fight. I asked him if he wanted me to have the deputies inquire about that, but he said no. So if there's any issues at the jail, just let me know.
We'll do, Judge.
All right. All right. What date, Ms. Ferguson? Okay. Let me give you a date. Caroline, the date she's been giving, has it been August 8th?
Yeah, I was going to ask you something.
All right. So we'll do August 8th. Is everyone okay with that?
Yes, Judge.
Mhm.
Yes, Judge.
Okay. And I don't mean any disrespect by saying this, because I think it's great. You remind me of Bruno from the cartoon.
Oh, Popeye.
No.
Cartoon.
We don't talk about Bruno. You have that curly hair and everything.
Yeah.
And honestly, I thought he was a great guy, so I don't care what anybody says. But I was just like, who does he remind me of? Yes, Encanto.
Yeah.
Do you get that a lot or no?
No, since I went into the jail, I've been getting like, when I take a shower, my hair falls down like Jesus. Look.
Hey, that's okay.
Yeah.
So tell me, with the hair thing at the jail, are they still just using shampoo that says shampoo on it, or they give you real shampoo?
No, you gotta buy the real shampoo on the commissary, but they give you little bars of soap. That's it.
Because last time I took my students to the Bexar County Jail, I always tell them they just use regular soap and it just says soap.
Yeah, just regular soap.
I can say that because my brothers, when they were first starting out, I would say, what type of detergent are you using? They're like, it just says detergent. It's the cheap kind. That's what we can afford. So it's detergent.
Exactly.
All right. We'll see you back, Norma, on this one. Can we bring you back on August 8th? All right. So we'll see you back on August 8th. And if it needs to come back sooner, or your attorney wants it sooner, we will do that.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Rodriguez.
You're welcome, Judge. What's your segment?
All right, the court is calling 2023 CR 4768, State of Texas versus Gaspar Rodriguez. Can I have parties announce for the record for the state?
Hank Wilkins for the state, Your Honor.
Defense?
Manuel Rodriguez.
Are you Gaspar Rodriguez?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case, and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Judge.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Did you understand you're charged with the offense of credit card or debit card abuse? That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
I am, Your Honor. Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea bargaining agreement, punishment is to be assessed at 2 years in the state jail facility. There is to be a $500 fine. The state will take in consideration cause number 710595. 2023 CR 4769. There's to be restitution to the following: Walmart at 1603 Vance Jackson. That's 78213. Joaquin Gamez, Gamez. April Gamez. And Marriott Spring Hill Suites, located at 3636 Northwest Loop 410. Did you understand that to be the plea?
I do. Yes.
I mean, well, do you? That's your plea agreement.
Yes.
Is that the plea agreement that you agreed to?
Yes.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yeah, I think he's tripping up on those names.
Okay.
Those are the names of the victim.
What you're seeing here is more than just legal formalities, the delicate dance of a plea bargain. The judge meticulously confirms every detail, ensuring the defendant understands not just the charge of credit card abuse, but the layered conditions that come with it. This includes restitution to multiple victims, restrictions on contact, and a state jail sentence hanging over his head if probation fails. Notice how the defense quickly steps in to clarify confusion over victim names, because even small misunderstandings could derail the entire agreement. This is a textbook moment in criminal court where precision matters more than speed.
And honestly, I thought he was a great guy, so I don't care what anybody says. But I was just like, who does he remind me of? Yes, Encanto.
Yeah.
Do you get that a lot or no?
No, well, since I went into the jail, I've been getting like, when I take a shower, my hair falls down. Like, Jesus, look. But,
Hey, that's okay.
yeah.
So tell me, with the hair thing at the jail, are they still just using shampoo that says shampoo on it, or they give you real shampoo?
No, you gotta buy the real shampoo on the commissary, but they give you little bars of soap. That's it.
Because last time I took my students' charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence?
Your Honor, I submit State's Exhibit 1 in the attachments.
We review the judge, no objection.
All right. Did you understand that today the state would be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments. Court has reviewed the same. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
As part of his conditions of probation, we asked that he go for that evaluation for MICMILE or anything in that regard, because Mr. Rodriguez
Traumatic brain injury.
was in a car accident in 2015, has a traumatic brain injury.
Okay.
So he may qualify for certain programs.
Okay. All right. Mr. Rodriguez, do you have a place to live?
No, I'm going to be at Haven for Hope.
Okay.
My address will be 1300 West Martin for the time being. And if I get a domicile of my own, I will let the probation know and the courts.
All right. I'm going to let you do your MIC evaluation out of custody, but if you miss appointments, there's going to be a motion filed. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank
All
you.
right. Do you have any children?
I have one.
What is the age?
He's 10. He's with his mom.
All right. Do you have any contact?
At the moment, I know his mom's number, but she doesn't really want me talking to him. So, as of right now, just no contact.
All right. Have you been using any drugs?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have any family support in the area?
Not in the area, but I do have family, and I can call and they can help me.
Why are you in San Antonio? What brought you here?
Well, I came here to go to college back in 2011, and I did 2 years at SAC, and then had my son in 2012, January 2012, and I just got caught up with not living life, but having to work and provide, that I put off my college for my son, and ended up homeless after getting kicked out of not getting kicked out, but me and my girlfriend broke up at the time. So I'd been homeless for a while. So,
All right.
but all I can say, everyone can say that life's been hard, but it's choices, and my choices haven't been the best so far, and I hope to make them better.
Okay. All right. This is what the court is going to do. Court is going to sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility, suspended and probated for 3 years. There's a $500 fine that will be probated. Take in consideration 710-595, 2023 CR 4769. There's to be restitution and no contact with the following: Walmart at 1603 Vance Jackson, zip code 78213. Joaquin Gamas, April Gamas, the Marriott Spring Hill Suites located at 3636 Northwest Loop 410. There's to be a MIC, mild evaluation out of custody. You are to reside at Haven for Hope. 200 hours of community service restitution. Those will be deemed satisfied once you complete parenting classes, probation, whatever parenting classes you deem are appropriate. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Proof of employment within 15 days of release. Just 1 second. There's to be no employment as a home healthcare provider with minors. If you are receiving SSI, you to then provide proof of SSI.
That's what it was. You read my mind.
Okay. And that proof of SSI is within 15 days. If there's some issue where you don't have it with you by that time, just let probation know.
Okay.
There's to be regular UAs, the theft course, and probation. I know the issues with checking in with people at Haven for Hope, but if possible, if you could do a field visit one time every 4 months with him, just to check up on him to make sure everything is going as it should go. Probation, is there anything else he needs? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
A reentry brochure and
For Haven for Hope?
yeah, for him. For
Probation will be able to give that to you.
Okay, and then no.
All right. I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
I did.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any.
In the end, Mr. Rodriguez walks away with a suspended 2-year sentence, 3 years of probation, mandatory community service, and strict no-contact orders while living at Haven for Hope. His journey from college student to facing felony charges is a reminder that one bad decision can ripple through years of your life. This case blended compassion with caution. The court offered programs and resources, but made it clear that failure to comply will bring consequences fast. If you found this case as revealing as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.